Sites that pay you to write about vacation, travel. 1. Transitions Abroad, $150 per post. Transitions Abroad's focus is on people who travel, regardless of the reason: work, education, retirement, volunteering, etc. They pay around $150 for travel-related articles. They especially like articles written based on your personal experience. 2. Wanderlust, £220 per post. Britain-based Wanderlust targets the travel market as well. Writers are known to have received £220 for their feature articles, with article length around 1,000 words. 3. Great Escape Publishing, $50 to $200 per post. Great Escape Publishing focuses on the craft and business of getting paid to travel. Their audience contains people who are mostly looking for opportunities where they can get paid to travel: photography, travel writing, tour guide, cruise crew, etc. They also publish short interviews with professionals who work in industries that allow them to get paid while traveling. You can expect anywhere from $50 to $200 per article. 4. Alaska Airlines Magazine, $150 to $700 per post. This is the proprietary in-flight magazine found inside Alaska Airlines. You get paid between $150 and $700 for every contribution. 5. TravelLeisure Magazine, $1 per word. They are looking for writers with fresh ideas and tips. The pay seems to be around $1 per word. 6. Air Canada enroute. Pay unknown. This is an in-flight magazine read by over 1 million travelers every single month who find the magazine in the seat pockets of Air Canada aircraft and in Maple Leaf lounges and select Star Alliance lounges around the world. I couldn't find any information on exactly how much they pay. 7. Horizon Edition Magazine, $100 to $450 per post. HIM is a monthly in-flight magazine for Horizon Air. The magazine is read by over 500,000 travelers every month. They pay $100 for short articles. Feature articles, usually much longer, will earn you about $450. 8. Delta Sky Magazine. Pay unknown. Out of all the in-flight magazines, Delta Sky is one of the most well-known ones. They are looking for executed stories about travel, lifestyle, and business. Your article can be short, 100 words, or long, a 2,000 to 4,000 words, feature stories. 9. Motorhome, $900 per post. As the name suggests, this is a magazine for RV enthusiasts. And as you can imagine, they want articles related to the RV lifestyle. Here are the kind of topics they are interested in: travel destinations, activities and events, the newest motorhomes on the market, RV-related, do-it-yourself projects. Follow us for more sites that pay you more writing. Like the video and leave us a comment.